Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how you can add vertical blur background effect in a video using Canva. Right now as you can see we are into Canva and here we are going to do this, but before that we are just opening a image template as well. Look, video template is somehow different and image template is somehow different, right? The blur effect you will find in the image template. So first of all we would require a image, travel, beach, woman, whatever the image you want or video you want, you can simply search it in the elements. Okay, now we are into videos and here we will search for a good video. For example, I just want this video, right? And now I will simply set this video like this in the image, and now I will simply edit it. So I've clicked on edit, and here we are just going to adjust. If adjust is not possible, I will simply download this video from here, right? So I have clicked on share. Now I am downloading it as JPG. Only the current page. Done. Download. Okay, it's downloaded. Now we are just saving it into the system, and now just we are copying this video that we can use in the video template. So I have just copied it. Now I will simply paste it over here, right? And we are just going to do this and now this. Now here we are just going to elements, uploads, and here we upload files and we will upload that image which we have downloaded. Okay, our image is here. Now we are just going to click on edit, and then we can simply click on see all, blur, and here we want whole image to be blurred, right? Okay, if you just want it to be here, or you can click on position and click on center. Done. Now what we are going to do is we are just going to edit this video first, right? If you want to adjust its warm, natural, you can simply do it. We need a frame, vertical frame. Elements, frame. Okay, it's here. Let me make it of this size, right? Now we are just going to add this video in this. Now we are going to click on edit or effects, effects, and here we can simply increase the drop, offset, transparency. We can decrease. We can also change the direction, right? And how much offset we require. Okay, it's done. If you want, you can also add shadow, vertical. If you think drop is not fine, you can also add shadow, right? You can also look for some good shadows. There are lots of shadows available, right? Layer, send backward, and I will duplicate it and then I will flip it horizontally, right, as per my requirement. So this is how you can simply add a vertical blur background effect in a video using Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.